You rely on infrastructure. You have to plug your vehicle, you charge your battery, it's like a phone, you use your car, and then when the battery is down, you have to charge your car again. This car, you go to a regular petrol station, you fill your tank, and then the car will give you what you want. You can have a very long ride, and you don't have to bother about running short of electricity. You just have to put more fuel, and then your car keeps on moving. The only advantage is fuel consumption is extremely low. 1 liter takes you for 22 kilometers.
That is the car powered by Toyota bicycle motors.
And like we explained, they are self-charging, so you don't need to plug any socket into the vehicle. As you decelerate and as you brake, you charge the battery. That helps you to move, so it ensures a very low consumption. So we have no intention to phase out few internal combustion engines for now. But what we want to do at present is to improve efficiency, reduce fuel consumption, be more eco-friendly. It's a step-by-step phased approach.
Can you just stop for a minute and say, my next car? Just think about it.
Yes, but you think about your next car. When you get your current car, you start thinking about the next one.
Next one.
Yes.
Wewe wetwengere na mawulire